being of medium stature lumbers from her rest slab. Others members of her species would call her an adult. She walks over to a bookcase, which is pieces of wood constructed in such a way to hold a heavy amount of weight. There, she pulls off what she would call a book. A book is pieces of wood that are soaked in water and other substances in order to create paper. These pieces of paper are all stacked on top of each other and bound together and glued in order to keep them all together. These pieces of paper are also marked by ink splotches that are arranged in such a way to form a way of communicating with each other. This way of communicating is called letters and punctuation. It helps the beings to be able to communicate ideas not only to each other, but to whoever decides to pick up the book. She turns the book to the first page and starts to hallucinate wildly as she reads the words on the page and creates images in her head in order for her to remember. However, this being is one who is seeking higher education and knowledge for her mental faculties. Hence, she is what they would call a college student. Now, it is rare to ever find one of these college students alert. We are in quite the treat that we find her awake and away from her rest lab at such an early hour. While reading the symbols, she is trying to comprehend the words that her knowledge transmitter wants her to remember for their upcoming test of knowledge. What she is currently doing is called studying. This is often a complicated and time-consuming task. Hence, we leave the college student in peace.